Good afternoon, my name is Felicia Harris-Jones. I'm going to do a demo of one of my latest pieces of choreography. This is to the song by Gretchen Wilson and Ella Langley called Here for the Party.